Redmond Window Replacement Services offer top-notch solutions for both residential and commercial properties. Our team of experts specializes in energy-efficient windows, ensuring your home or business in Redmond, WA, stays comfortable year-round. With a focus on vinyl window replacement, we provide durable and cost-effective options tailored to your needs. Window Replacement Redmond is an excellent choice for those looking to upgrade their windows. For those seeking custom window solutions, Redmond window design options are available to match any architectural style. Our window consultation services in Redmond help you select the perfect window style, ensuring both aesthetic appeal and functionality. We offer comprehensive window measurement services to guarantee a perfect fit every time. Window Replacement Redmond is the ideal way to enhance the look and efficiency of your home. Window installation services in Redmond are essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Our Redmond window installation experts are skilled in window frame installation and window glass replacement, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. We also provide window sealing services to enhance insulation and reduce energy costs. For reliable window replacement Redmond, trust our expert team. Redmond energy-efficient window solutions are designed to minimize heat loss and improve indoor comfort. Our double-pane window installation in Redmond is a popular choice for those looking to enhance energy efficiency. With Redmond window insulation services, you can enjoy a more comfortable living environment while reducing your energy bills. Window Replacement Redmond offers a solution to improve both comfort and savings. Affordable window replacement in Redmond, WA, is within reach with our competitive pricing and flexible options. Our Redmond window cost estimation services provide transparent pricing, allowing you to plan your window upgrade with confidence. We also offer window warranty services to protect your investment. Window Replacement Redmond gives you an affordable and lasting option for upgrading your home. Window maintenance in Redmond is crucial for preserving the functionality and appearance of your windows. Our Redmond window maintenance services include regular inspections and necessary installations to keep your windows in optimal condition. We also offer window hardware replacement to ensure smooth operation. Window Replacement Redmond ensures that your windows remain in great shape for years to come. For businesses, commercial window replacement in Redmond is a key service we provide. Our team understands the unique needs of commercial properties and offers tailored solutions to enhance security and energy efficiency. Redmond window security features are designed to protect your business while maintaining a professional appearance. Window Replacement Redmond helps improve both security and efficiency for your commercial space. Redmond window noise reduction solutions are ideal for those living in busy areas. Our durable windows in Redmond are designed to minimize outside noise, creating a peaceful indoor environment. With Redmond window noise reduction services, you can enjoy a quieter home or office space. Window Replacement Redmond offers an excellent way to reduce noise disturbances. Window upgrade options in Redmond include a variety of styles and materials to suit any preference. Our Redmond window style options range from traditional to modern, ensuring you find the perfect match for your property. We also offer window durability solutions to withstand the elements and provide long-lasting performance. Window Replacement Redmond helps enhance your property's overall aesthetic and functionality. Redmond Window Warranty Services offer peace of mind, knowing your investment is protected. Our comprehensive warranties cover a range of issues, ensuring your windows remain in excellent condition. With Redmond Window Warranty Services, you can enjoy your new windows with confidence. Window Replacement Redmond comes with guarantees that ensure long-term satisfaction. Window installation timeline in Redmond is designed to minimize disruption to your daily routine. Our efficient installation process ensures your new windows are installed quickly and professionally. With the best window installers in Redmond, you can trust that your project will be completed on time and to the highest standards. Window Replacement Redmond ensures that your installation process is smooth and timely. Redmond Window Replacement Services offer top-notch window installation and vinyl window replacement for both residential and commercial properties. Our Redmond energy-efficient window solutions are designed to enhance your home's comfort and reduce energy costs. With our double-pane window installation in Redmond, you can enjoy improved insulation and noise reduction. Window Replacement Redmond is the best way to enhance your home's energy efficiency. For those seeking custom window solutions, our Redmond window design options provide a variety of styles and materials to choose from. Our window consultation services in Redmond ensure you find the perfect fit for your home or business. We also offer comprehensive window measurement services in Redmond to guarantee a precise fit. Window Replacement Redmond gives you endless options for personalizing your space. Our Redmond window installation experts specialize in window frame installation and window glass replacement, ensuring your windows are in top condition. We provide affordable window replacement in Redmond, WA, with a focus on quality and durability. Our window maintenance services in Redmond help extend the life of your windows. Window Replacement Redmond offers both quality and affordability. Redmond window sealing experts offer window insulation services to keep your home comfortable year-round. Our window hardware replacement and window security features in Redmond, WA, enhance the safety and functionality of your windows. We also provide window warranty services for peace of mind. Window Replacement Redmond offers excellent insulation and security for your windows. For commercial window replacement in Redmond, our team delivers efficient and reliable services. Our Redmond window upgrade services include a range of options to improve your property's aesthetics and performance. We are known as the best window installers in Redmond, providing exceptional service and craftsmanship. Window Replacement Redmond is the perfect solution for upgrading your commercial space. Our Redmond window style options cater to various tastes and preferences, ensuring you find the perfect match for your home. Durable windows in Redmond are a priority, and our products are built to withstand the elements. We also offer window noise reduction solutions to create a quieter indoor environment. Window Replacement Redmond ensures your windows are both durable and stylish. Window cost estimation and window installation timeline are part of our comprehensive services, ensuring transparency and efficiency. Our Redmond window glass specialists are skilled in handling all types of glass, providing expert window glass replacement services. Trust our Redmond window hardware solutions for reliable and long-lasting results. Window Replacement Redmond offers transparency and expert service at every step. Choose our residential window services in Redmond for a seamless and stress-free experience. Our custom windows in Redmond, WA, are tailored to meet your specific needs and preferences. With our window consultation in Redmond, you can explore a wide range of window design options and styles. Window Replacement Redmond makes upgrading your home a breeze. Window frame installation in Redmond, WA, is handled by our experienced team, ensuring your windows remain secure and functional. Our Redmond window noise reduction services help create a peaceful living environment. We also offer window security features in Redmond, WA, to protect your home and loved ones. Window Replacement Redmond offers a comprehensive solution to all your window needs.